new HoverAir Promax 1 follow me drone. Is it worth it? Right, well, right at the moment I'm going to say probably not. I've just spent nearly 2 hours, an hour and 45 minutes respectively looking for the bloody drone on a nice trail at the middle of nowhere with very little, if any, obstacle, only to have the thing disappear, resulting in me having to go looking for it on foot. The first time took a bit longer because I hadn't realised I'd lost it. I eventually found it because it was bleeping. The second time I found it by accident. It switched itself off, so therefore it wasn't bleeping. I don't know if this is a design fault or my fault or the fact that they're trying to make me buy more, because the only way around this I can see is by buying the beacon, which is an extra 150, 200 quid, which then shows you via a attachment that you put on the handlebars, a screen, shows you where it is, and I guess then you can see when it's sodded off or you've lost it. Either way, it's more money, more hassle, more. Rant over for now, so I've packed it away. Oh yeah, I've got a broken propeller as well, propeller on it, which I've now got to replace. So it's 2 hours out of a short winter day that I could have done without, really. So it's packed away, and now I'm going to concentrate on the ride instead.